Hello everyone and welcome to the second part of the Canterbury Tales. In activity number 1, you can read the stories. And when you have the video, of course, you can even watch it. You can watch it with English subtitles and you can even reduce the speed.
This fellow was prosperous, 60 and wifeless. Not that he abstained when he fancied a quick taster.
Then you can go on with the activities after reading activities and pre-reading activities and reading. And when you've finished all the stories, there are some other activities. In fact, in activity number 2, we'd like to have your comments and opinion on the stories. You click here. Then you have a doc. And what story did you like the most? Why? What was interesting about it? What is the strangest thing you found in this story? So you just go to your class and then you look for your number according to your name and you can leave a comment here. For example, I like this story because etc, etc, and here you can write your name and the title of the story, or you can write the title of this story here, like I like this story something, and then because. Okay, then after that you go on to activity number 3, which is this one here, which is about characters. What characters do you like the most? Why? What character do you like the least? Why? So again, you click here and then you have a doc similar to the other one. And again, you look up for your class, you look for your number, and then you say my favorite character is because he or she is etc, etc. Okay, then here is the last part, the one that you were waiting for. There's a short story contest. So now it's your turn. You can write a short story and you can send it to me by the 20th of April. The story can be written in a doc, but you can also add drawings, photos or pictures that you find on the internet. But please remember, the pictures and the photos must be copyright free. So you can use Pixabay or Immagini di Google, and then you know how to do that. Or you can create a storyboard that you can draw, just like in the story The Wife of Bath's Tale. Or you can even create puppets. You can create puppets with your hands, then you can move them and you can shoot a video, just like a puppet show. That's up to you. You can choose. And again, you can work individually or in pairs or in small groups. That must be like 3 or 4 students. So get ready for this short story contest, and I'm here willing to read all your stories and I'm looking forward to reading all of them.